How to delete Instagram chat from both sites permanently. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram chat from both sites. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your application in your device, head over to your Instagram app, and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on Messenger icon on your top right. Go on to any chats that you would like to delete and send a message. Long tap the message that you would like to unsend. Tap on unsend. Tap on unsend again. As you do so, you will see this message pop up. It says that unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they still may be included if the conversation is reported. Whatsoever, it means that the text that you just unsent has been removed from both the sides. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.